Today we going to remove a glass from S4. It's broken LCD glass, and we'll change that with the glue and everything. This is just the tempered glass on top for protection. The original LCD itself has a cracked glass as well. When you're doing this, I highly recommend you to wear some kind of protection for your eyes. Sometimes these glasses can be fatal to your eye. I use normally this. So wear these glasses, and the things that we require to do this glass change is X-ray film, a nice thin tweezer. Sometimes a tweezer can be handy than the X-ray, and a thin tweezer, X-ray, any used one or new one, whatever you can get hold on to. And then we would need this glue, that's for the later stage, for the second part of the repair. And obviously a glass, a white glass. Here we got a white LCD, so we need a white glass, and a heat gun. We would use to the lower level. It has lower level, so I'm gonna start heating it up. I'm gonna stay recording it also, and in between I might pause, because if we need more time with the heat, then you're gonna waste your data to download this video. Don't focus the heat on one point, distribute it evenly. If you focus the heat on one point, sometime you can come up with a patch on the LCD which is non-removable. Then you have to replace the LCD and the cost will go higher. Here we just booked the phone for a glass replacement, so we have to be careful with that. It looks like that it's been done before, so it will be a sticky job, shit job, like the other S3 that I did sometime yesterday. You can heat it up to extent where you see that if you touch the glass it's a bit hot. Then you can start removing the glass. We'll penetrate it through the place where we see that it's a bit broken there, and it looks like that this has been done before, because normally the LCD doesn't come out that easy from the sides, so you have to be really careful. Here we can try to put the X-ray in there to, if the tweezer doesn't go well, lift up from the side. The X-ray is going in there smoothly now. I'm going to continue heating it and continue inserting the X-ray. By the looks of it, it looks like that somebody did it before. Be patient with it, continue doing it, don't force anything through it. I'm just gonna pause the video so I can release the glass. And just coming back to show you that it's going on smoothly. Move the X-ray accordingly where you feel that it's let me heat it up. You can use more than one strip also, it can come handy. Again, be careful, don't heat it up from one spot, distributing the heat accordingly evenly. It won't damage the LCD. Most of it is done. Sometimes it really gets hot. It's difficult to handle it. It is a bit hot currently. Don't press it too hard, gently. If it doesn't come up, don't worry, hit it up a bit more. Finally it will be out, as long as it's a glue in there. Gently and slowly. Keep moving. Keep moving. Wherever you feel like that it's a bit hard, don't push. Just heat up again. I don't want to break the screen, you know. Feeling a bit hard, so I'm gonna heat up again. So we are half done. This thing has come out. Let's check the LCD if it is still working. Because if it isn't, then why waste the time on the half of it? It's working, so we're going to carry on with it. The other half. The home button. Okay, let's heat up the other half so we can remove the glass. Should be easier now because we can stick anywhere that what is it, the X-ray where we would like to, and thereafter we'll clean the LCD. Thinner is the best thing that I ever get across to clean the LCD, that excess glue. But you can use flux as well, but I'll recommend thinner. I've cleaned so many of them. I've started the other piece now. All of the glasses out. We're going to test the LCD before we clean it. Sorry about this. Still working. Looks like that it's working. Start cleaning it. This is how it can remove also the glue. Sometimes it becomes stubborn. Then you use thinner, but to clean the LCD you still need to use the thinner. So LCD is working. Now we can start with the rest. Clean it. With the soft thumb, don't press it too hard.
Hello?
Hello. This is how glue comes off. Just put these double-sided tape onto the side, clean the screen nicely. That's for to hold the glass and glue not to spill out. Then I put masking tape around as well so the glue doesn't go to the other places. There is the glue. If you see any bubbles, try to pick them up. Screwdriver. Try to bring them into the corner so they go out easy. See one here also.
What time will you be here on Monday?
Monday from 10 to till the evening.
Okay.
If I go in and out, that's to buy the parts and stuff, you know.
Yeah.
Usually I'm here during the day.
Half past 2 will be fine.
Yeah, that should be fine.
You said 1, 2, 3, 4 is that fast?
Oh shit. I forgot to put the home button, that's why I said shit. So what I'll do, I'll just insert in there. Don't panic, it's very easy. Just need to press it so the glue can settle down, and these bubbles, they should go out. If the glue goes to the camera, do it full. Here we go. Bubbles are going out bit by bit. You can see there are no bubbles there. Everything is gone out. Now the second part of this thing comes, which is to put it into a nail heater. I use that, or you can use the sunlight, but sun has to be 25 degrees plus. Just show you where I put it once I settle it down, where I'm gonna put it. Settle down the glue, let all the air go out. That is what making bubbles. This is the machine that usually people use in salons for the nails. Either you can use this, if you don't have this you can use sunlight, but the heat has to be plus minus 25 degree. I'm going to leave it here for say about 10 to 15 minutes it takes up to dry the glue. But if you see any bubble coming out, just hold it for a little while so the glue can settle down. Glue looks all settled nicely. No bubbles. Now we can remove this masking tape also. If there is excess glue, you can clean it with the thinners. Everything working perfectly. I hope this will help you to change glass in S4. Please subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye.